Japan raises warning level on volcano not far from nuclear plant. Japan warned on Saturday that a volcano 50 kilometers, 31 miles, from a just restarted nuclear reactor is showing signs of increased activity, and said nearby residents should prepare to evacuate. Sakurajima, a mountain on the southern island of Kyushu, is one of Japan's most active volcanoes and erupts almost constantly. But a larger than usual eruption could be in the offing, an official at the Japan Meteorological Agency said. There is the danger that stones could rain down on areas near the mountain's base, so we are warning residents of those areas to be ready to evacuate if needed, the official added. The agency also said it had raised the warning level on the peak, 990 kilometers southwest of Tokyo, to an unprecedented 4, for prepared to evacuate, from 3. Roughly 100 people could be affected. Japan on Tuesday restarted a reactor at the Sendai nuclear plant, some 50 kilometers from Sakurajima. It is the first reactor to be restarted under new safety standards put in place after the 2011 Fukushima disaster.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.